Today in this video, we will learn about agencies of United Nations. The agencies of United Nations help United Nations to work worldwide. Number one agency is UNICEF, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. It was set up in 1946 to give food and home to orphan children. It also worked at the time of drought, flood, earthquake. It helped children in the time of emergency and provide them food and shelter. Number two agency is WHO, World Health Organization. World Health Organization. And its slogan is Health for all for health. Health for all for health. It promotes health is wealth also. It was set up in 1948 and it worked for better health systems, better health technologies in the world. Third one agency is UNESCO. UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. It helps to promote education, science and culture in the world. It helps the other nations to promote science in their country, education in their country and culture, and we provide funds for it. Number four agency is FAO. FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization. Food and Agricultural Organization. It helps to provide good seeds, fertilizers to farmers. Okay. And the last one is ILO. ILO, International Labour Organization. What does it work? It works for the betterment of workers or laborer that work in factories. It provides funds for betterment of workers in the world. Okay. Now, United Nations works so much. So what does it achieve? What does it achieve? Till now it was successful in preventing World War III. See, World War I happened, and lot of misery happened in world. World War II happened, but it prevented World War III to be there. It prevented World War III to held, and it also prevented lot of misery in the world. And many other wars that could happen in between Iran-Iraq war, Indo-Pak war. How does it prevented it? By International Court of Justice, by solving the disputes, okay, and promoting world peace in the world. I hope you understood the chapter. In this chapter, we have logos also. What are logos? These are symbol of these agencies. We have symbols of these agencies. Like ILO have this symbol.